Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor. I am Sanjay. We are learning advanced CodeIgniter tutorials. This is our part number 8. Inside this video, we will see that how can we change the default port of development server. What I mean, let's say that this is a CodeIgniter application. When we want to start its development server, as we know, we have the command available called PHP Spark serve. When we type and run application, it will start a development server that is localhost 8080 port. So if I open this URL, this is the output actually what we are getting, and this is because on the welcome page here we have the anonymous callback function, and inside this callback function we have a s3 tag, and this is the static message. Now question is that if suppose we don't want to start our application at this 8080 port, so how can we change that? So inside this CodeIgniter application, we have two options available. By the help of those options, we can actually start our development server with a different port. So first of all, let's see the first option. So what I will do, simply close development server, and if I type PHP Spark, press enter to see all the available command of Spark panel. So inside this Spark panel, if we go inside this CodeIgniter section, inside this CodeIgniter section, here we have a serve command. In the description, it launches the CodeIgniter PHP development server. Now if we want to open the help manual of any of the command given, what I will do, PHP Spark, right here help, and then the command name. So as we know, serve is a command, so PHP Spark help serve, we are telling this command you don't need to actually execute, you will have to open a help manual. So if I press enter, and inside this help manual, as we can see that description again launches the CodeIgniter PHP development server. Here we have some options available, that is PHP, host, and the port. So our main concern is all about for the port, so we will use this port option. By default, as we can see, it uses 8080 port. So we will use this flag, so PHP Spark, let's say serve, we will use this port flag called port, and we will assign a new port to this development server. So let's say 8085. Now if I press enter, and as we can see that our development server now is started at 8080 port. If I open into the new tab of browser, it is running, but when we go and reload this, now it has been closed, obviously because we have restarted the same application at this port. So this is the first option, and the second option, by creating our custom command. So how can we create? So again, for this topic we have an article over this blogging website. Go to the browser, go here, click on blog, click on search icon, and if I type, let's say default port, press enter, we will see that CodeIgniter command, that is change PHP Spark default port. So if I click on this link, go inside this article, so we will see all the things very clear from scratch. So this is like the first method we had discussed. Now the second method, we will see that by creating a custom command. So if I scroll down, this article is totally from scratch. It means from application starting up to application testing. So this is the first option what we had discussed by using this port flag. Here we did. Now next we will see create custom command. So this is the command actually we are going to create, and this is very simple command, PHP Spark make command. This is actually the command what we had seen. Again, if we type PHP Spark, then in the command palette of PHP Spark we will see this make command, which is going to create a command class file, and the command file name is something start. So it will create a start.php inside commands folder, and where is this commands folder? And here it is. When we do the fresh installation of CodeIgniter this folder actually not available, but when we create any custom command, then this folder automatically will create inside this app folder. So right now there is several commands file what I have created, so that's why this folder is available in my case. Now if I go here and press enter, as we can see that start.php file is now created inside this commands folder. So back to this editor, commands folder, and here we have the file called start.php. Now if I back to blog article, so here we have the complete code of start.php. I will copy, go here, remove the existing code and replace with this updated code. So inside this command file, the group we have mentioned called app. Again back to terminal, let's type PHP Spark. We are opening all the command panel mode. So this is app, cache, CodeIgniter. This is known as section. So by the help of this command file called start.php, we are making a group called app. So that's why we are able to see this group here. Now next we have the name as start, and this is start referring command name. This is all about description, so the same string value we have mentioned inside this description variable. Now next, here we have the run method. Inside this run method actually we are writing our logic. So simply when we type the command called php spark start, it will call the run method, and the run method is going to run a command on CLI, that is php spark serve. And automatically, as we had discussed inside our first method, using of port flag, so simply inside this run method we are using the same concept, that is port flag, and here we are giving a new port. So this is all about using our command file. All we have done, back to terminal, and if I reload, it will not work because development server currently shut down. So PHP, again if I type spark, let's say help, for the start command we are opening the help manual. This is the custom command what we have created. So the description is only available that it is going to start server on port 8085. So simply if I type php spark start, pressing enter, and as we can see that this development server has been started at 8085 port. Go and reload and it is working. So this is the video guys to demonstrate that all about starting our CodeIgniter 4 application into a new port of development server. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.